Aloo Palak is a delicious and nutritious Indian dish that combines potatoes and spinach in a flavorful curry. This simple yet satisfying meal is perfect for vegetarians and can be easily prepared at home. Let's learn how to make this tasty dish step by step. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 4 medium-sized potatoes, 2 bunches of fresh spinach, 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 2 chopped onions, 2 minced garlic cloves, 1 inch of grated ginger, 2 chopped tomatoes, salt to taste, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, and 1 teaspoon of garam masala. Display the list of ingredients on screen. Begin by washing and peeling the potatoes, then cut them into medium-sized cubes. Wash the spinach thoroughly and chop it roughly. Heat oil in a large pan over medium heat. Add cumin seeds and let them sizzle for a few seconds until they become fragrant. Add the chopped onions to the pan and sauté until they turn golden brown. This should take about 5 minutes. Next, add the minced garlic and grated ginger, cooking for another minute until the raw smell disappears. Now, add the chopped tomatoes and cook until they become soft and mushy. This will take about 5 minutes. Add turmeric powder, red chili powder, and salt. Mix well and cook for another 2 minutes. Add the potato cubes to the pan and stir to coat them with the spice mixture. Cover the pan and cook for about 10 minutes, stirring occasionally until the potatoes are partially cooked. Display on screen. Add potatoes and cook for 10 minutes. Now it's time to add the chopped spinach. Mix it well with the potato mixture and cover the pan again. Cook for another 5 to 7 minutes until the spinach wilts and the potatoes are fully cooked. If the mixture seems too dry, you can add a little water. Finally, sprinkle garam masala over the curry and mix well. Let it simmer for an additional 2 minutes to allow the flavors to melt together. Display on screen. Add garam masala and simmer for 2 minutes. Your Aloo Palak is now ready to serve. This dish pairs perfectly with hot rotis, naan bread, or steamed rice. For added richness, you can garnish it with a dollop of butter or cream before serving. Aloo Palak is not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients from the spinach and potatoes. It's a versatile dish that can be customized to your taste preferences. Feel free to adjust the spice levels or add other vegetables like peas or carrots for extra flavor and texture. This simple yet flavorful curry is sure to become a favorite in your home cooking repertoire. Enjoy your homemade Aloo Palak.